In this GrapeData review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money using this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if GrapeData is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So basically GrapeData is a survey website. So it is basically like any survey website. This website is 100% legit. Also GrapeData is available worldwide. So you're going to be basically telling your opinions to this website, and based on all your opinions they are going to get you paid. So that's how it works. So in order for you to participate in the surveys, you have to become a contributor. So go to GrapeData and go to the contributor section, and after that you will be into a page like this. So it's called grape-data.com /contributors. So once you get here, you are going to be getting a lot of surveys, and the cool thing about GrapeData is that they pay out every 48 hours as incentives. So they have a pretty quick payout, and they have a threshold of just $1. So that's great. You don't have to wait a long time. So most survey website might take you about $5 for payout. But in the case of GrapeData, they are only recommending just $1. So after you have reached the threshold of $1, you can basically withdraw it. And these are some of the benefits. You can also contribute profiles for precious matching of tasks. Then you can see some of the contributors that has been already doing this. So let me just log into GrapeData and show you. So this is the dashboard of GrapeData. So currently, based on my profile, this is what they have suggested me as survey. So I have currently 3 surveys that I can attend. So the first one is basically a personal lifestyle, in which I can get paid up to 30 cents for 20-minute tasks. So remember guys, you have to do this task for 20 minutes, and then only you can get paid 30 cents. And then I have this B2B pricing and packaging research, which doesn't pay any money. I have to do this for 50 minutes, but it doesn't pay you any money. So that's something to think about, but it's okay. But the logistics services in pharmaceutical industry will get me paid up to $50 for 20 minutes. So remember guys, I might not qualify for this. It really depends. So I have to really go into it. So it says it will get me $50 and payout to standard 20 minutes. Looking for logistic and supply chain expert. So the first thing is that I'm not a logistics and supply chain expert. So working in CMO or CDMO, I'm not someone like that. So the chances of me qualifying for this test is really low. I probably won't get qualified. So the problem with survey website is that you can be earning up to $50, but you have to be in that specific industry in order for you to get paid up to $50. So if you go back to the page, you can see that some surveys are getting paid you up to $200. But remember guys, you have to be in the crude oil and LNG industry. So if you're not from that industry, you're not going to be even getting qualified for the test. But this 200 pound is it takes 120 minutes. It can take a lot of time, but they do pay out. And if you look at here, it gets you paid almost 100 pounds for 120 minutes. But you will have to be a professional in this cryptocurrency NFT space, which I'm not. So if you are one of the people that are in the specific industry, you can be making quite a lot of money. But if you look at normal surveys, which is like this 30 cents, maybe 40 cents, or maybe up to $1 or $2, that's the maximum a normal human being with no expertise can be making. But the cool thing is that you can, withdraw the money as soon as you reach $1, and you have PayPal option as well, which is cool. So as soon as you get to $1, you can withdraw your money to PayPal. But this website right over here is not going to make you rich. It really depends where you're from in the world. If you're from a place that this website is looking for, then you might get a lot more surveys. And if you're the kind of person, maybe you're in the logistics space, then if you're the kind of person, then you might get a lot more surveys like this. But if not, then it's not going to happen. But on average, on survey website, people make about maybe $100 to $300 in maximum. So with this website, you can't be earning a lot of money. So that's pretty much it. And I have gone to a review website which is called Trustpilot, in which you can see if this website is legitimate or not. So I like to go to websites like these to just make sure if it's good or bad. So GrapeData is actually doing great. It has got a 4.2 star review. So it's actually doing great. And if you look at it, most of them are 5-star review. The 1-star reviews are pretty low. It is only 12% compared to the 5-star. It is actually doing great. So you can see a lot of people liking GrapeData. Some of them don't like it, but most of them do like their experience. So here he has a complaint: I need your attention, can you please correct my contributors on these projects. So some people are facing some glitches in this website, so they have replied as well. So they have a consistent customer base, which is cool. So if you find it hard to actually reach out to GrapeData, you can contact them through their customer service. They are definitely going to reply to you. If you look again, you can see most of them are 5-star review. There are some 2-star reviews and 1-star reviews, but most of them are 5-star. The website is actually doing pretty great. But this website is not going to make you rich or anything like that. That's only kind of the downside of these survey websites. So that's basically it for this video of GrapeData. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're looking to go into the #1 recommended strategy that I have personally recommended you, which can get you up to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. If you want to get into the strategy, you can click the first link in the description. It's absolutely free, and it's basically a free affiliate marketing journey. So if you want to get it, go ahead and click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.